Hey guys, it's Ray. I'm waiting to get a camera and a new laptop to start recording, but this is like one of the moments you start recording. You like record the memorable moment. um, Ignore the background. My niece crying. I'm watching Little Rascal, so we all know the weird sounds from that. But I'm here recording because I saved a baby bird. It's so cute. My dog tried to eat it, of course. You know dogs. Here it is. It's okay. We think that either its leg or its wing is broken. We don't really know. But I'm going to nurse it back to health. I think it's so cute. I took a shoebox. Of course, it's my Jordan's shoebox. I took some grass. And I made a little bed for it. It's falling asleep. It's so cute. Oh, it's sleeping. See that? I love its feathers. I think it's so cute. But my dog tried to eat it. I yelled at my dog. I was like, no, Nyla. I'm trying to be quiet. It's so cute. You can see it. It's traumatized. It's so scared. I'm going to stop recording it because it's asleep. But yeah, I'm Ray. And I'm in my fabulous world of aliens. Because aliens don't judge. Aliens. Most aliens aren't me. Okay, be aliens. Let's go. Alien ships.